Mastering email communication. Send me an email, explained. Hello everyone. In today's video, we're diving into the world of email communication. Specifically, we're going to unpack the phrase, send me an email. Whether you're in the office, navigating academic environments, or just keeping in touch with friends, understanding this phrase will enhance your communication skills in the digital age. So, let's get started. Send me an email is a straightforward request used in both formal and informal settings. It implies that the speaker wishes to receive information, a document, or a response via email. Email, short for electronic mail, is a method of exchanging digital messages over the internet, and it's an essential tool in today's communication landscape. You might encounter the phrase, send me an email, in various situations. 1. Workplace scenarios. Your boss might say it to request a report or updates on a project. 2. Academic settings. A professor could use it to ask for your assignment or to provide further resources. 3. Personal interactions. A friend might say it when they want details about an upcoming event or to share photographs from a recent trip. When someone asks you to send an email, it's important to understand the context of the request. Know the email address you should send the information to. Ensure that the content of your email is clear, concise, and relevant to the request. When the time comes for you to send an email, keep these best practices in mind. 1. Subject line. Craft a clear and specific subject line so the recipient knows the email's purpose at a glance. 2. Greeting. Start with a polite greeting like, Dear, name, or Hello, name. 3. Body. Keep the email body concise and to the point. Clearly state your purpose and include any requested information or attachments. 4. Closing. End with a polite closing like, Best regards, or Sincerely, followed by your name. Even a simple phrase like, Send me an email, comes with its pitfalls. Here are common mistakes to avoid. Forgetting to attach files. Always double-check that you've attached all requested documents before hitting send. Ignoring the request's details. Ensure you understand what's being asked for and provide exactly that. Neglecting email etiquette. Be professional and polite, even in informal settings. Proper grammar and punctuation are always important. That's all for today. Remember, send me an email is more than just a phrase. It's an invitation to engage in clear, effective digital communication. By understanding the nuances of this request and adhering to email best practices, you'll be able to communicate confidently and efficiently in any setting. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video helps you navigate your digital communications with ease.